Simon Ekpa has created a deadly Biafra army. All the whole Southeast governors will never like this thing. No. Wahala. Hey, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first day they come across this wonderful channel. What are you waiting for? Oya, may you rush now. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our video. Don't forget also to turn on your notification bell for YouTube so that you go get our update as we dey drop am. No be small thing o. They say kasala don burst and yawa don cast. Internet don catch fire since yesterday wey Simon the PM Biafra government in exile Simon Ekpa posted a deadly Biafra liberation army. Internet don catch fire and some news carry am. Look at the headline. They say Biafra agitator Simon Ekpa has unveiled a deadly look Biafra Liberation Army, which he said will be protected and defend Biafra territory. Hope Uzodinma will not like this tweet. Still watching him in the mirror. No be small thing o. If you see those men, omo, your body go catch cold before you start the talk. Truly, they are very deadly. If you see those men, oh my God, the arm wey they even carry, if they shoot am for one helos, the helos go tear into two. No be small thing. Okay, my people, no be small thing. Move go ahead, go read that one article by Biafra Liberation Army. This one na dem write am direct by themselves. We go read am come outside. E say we are region and we are everywhere. We will kill anything that stand on our way to freedom, even you. Biafra by fire, by force. Biafra must be restored. No be small thing. This one is coming directly from Biafra Liberation Army. So there's so many things here today to bring where they go on. I will go read them come aside. There is one particular update coming from Simon Ekpa here. He say breaking. Starting from next week, the Nigeria terrorist state will be deploying over 300 soldiers to Imo State, Biafra land. It is going to be free for all gunfighters in defense of our mother and children. We call on all civilians in this affected Imo state to be very vigilant and mind their movement as Biafra Liberation Army are preparing to teach them unforgettable lesson like they have always done. The Biafra Liberation Army has raised its war alert to 70%, and in the coming days, Imo State will be a state to watch. Hello, my wonderful people. They say they don't announce for channel. Say there will be a military operation in Imo State following this report, and that military operation is going to be in the southeast in order to wipe out unknown gunmen and other bandit insurgency. But this one in Imo State, here is the response of Imo State governor, which is Hope Uzodinma. He said the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has urged Imo citizens to cooperate with Nigeria Army to ensure a peaceful Christmas celebration in the state. And this is directly coming from Hope Uzodinma. And why Simon Ekpa will be PM don't talk say Hope Uzodinma don't run go Abuja. So the military exercise will be taking place in Imo State very soon, coming very soon. So if you are in Imo State, take cover when this is started, because most of people that this will affect will be people that know nothing about. And this is also going to happen in Enugu as well. They say the 82 division of Nigeria Army Army Nigeria Army headquarters at Enugu will carry out their own operation, while the one in Obrinze is going to carry out the one in Imo State. So that one is 33 Atrari is going to carry this one in Imo State coming days. So guys, if you are in this area, be very, very careful. We bring information to let you know what is happening. So the best thing you will do is to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube, so that you will not miss out our update, so that you will not use your head go carry wetin you no know. It's better you are informed than you didn't informed. I believe that most of this thing we are talking here now today, that's going to be a military operation in Southeast, is coming very soon, very, very soon. As we are talking, they are preparing how to come. So this military operation that's going to take place in Imo State, in Enugu, in other states, many people don't even know. They will just see them now. They will see them running in their military truck and armor tank coming in, because you lack information. You didn't get information, and because of this now, you go out when they are shooting. When they say do not go out, stay indoor, and you go out and meet what you don't know. So I pray it will not be your portion, but you have to try your possible best to be getting information. Very, very important. Okay, my people, no be small thing o. Make we carry our two leg waka enter Edo State, go see wetin dey happen for Edo State. They say no be small kwasala dey burst for Edo State as the courtesan and the security men, but they say some part of courtesan don kill other group, and for this reason, this community for Edo State don para come outside come talk say they no want any courtesan for their state anymore. We are going to play you this video being leading by Kabaka. Kabaka is the one leading in that video. So we are going to play the video. You also hear the names of the community where this thing are happening in Edo State. And we'll come back and continue. So stay tuned and watch the video while we continue.
This is where they sell drugs. This is where they sell drugs, where they normally gather, where they normally spread info. They sell different things here in this community. We cannot allow all these evils to be happening here again. So 2 people died yesterday night in this same point because there are a lot of things going on here. So we take it as self-help before the security agency will involve. If you be caught, you better back out on our way. If you be caught, if you be caught, if you be caught, you better back out on our way. If you be caught, if you be caught, if you be caught, you better back out on our way. If you don't like that, if you be caught, you better back out on our way. Don't stay. Back out on our way. Back out on our way. Back out on our way. So wait. Hey. Now, I'll be advocating against killing. Our youth, they are holding their hands. We can no longer tolerate this. Now, with the Ubo, we are taking it to ourselves. We cannot wait for security no longer. If you know you are a killer, come to Ubo again. And this killing that happened is because some EDD were informed that it was where it took place. And with time, police investigation will open the page. Yes. They will get there. Yes. Thank you. Please, as you have people to eat, as the Okailo of the community, we are not happy at all. Please, I want to beg the landlord and landladies in Igbo. If you know you have a tenant in your house, please caution them. Because if you find out that the person, any house, from your house, any house we find out that these people that killed yesterday, they are from this house, we are going to bring the house down. Yes! Yes! We don't wait for anybody. By the grace of God, we will catch them, we will fish them out. Because this thing has never happened in football. We all, as an individual football, we are surprised today. And we are getting more information. And we are trying to get more information. We will get them. Those people that is involved. They must be brought to book. They must be brought to book. And I'm still begging the landlord and landladies. If you know you have a big in football and one person was caught in your house, we are going to bring the house down. Please, that is what I want to happen. Thank you. God bless you. Oh yeah, Commander.
Second Commander, yes.
You have to talk.
Yes. We are shocked. Greater Dose Security Network.
Yes.
We are shocked since yesterday. Moving around, and we got little information that the people that did this thing, we are taking police to their house so that police start to look for them. So we are on ground. We are fully on ground. Since 3 days we've been on ground, but this thing took us unexpectedly because the indigenes they involved and we know them, we know both of them.
There is no name when you are a killer. There is no name when you practice courtesan. There is no name when you dwell on secret thoughts. You can only make name when you are a good indigene of the state. You can only make name when you are entitled to something that has not been going on and you are able to do it, you will make a good name. I want to tell you people that there is no room for killers. You can kill but you cannot hide. It's only take a few times. We will catch you. And I want the commissioner, I want the IG, I want the state governor to serve that cabinet properly before anything can take place. If anybody you see, any color of all kinds, if na yellow, if na black asso, if na man fight, if na a vacuum, any confront where he be food on a buccaneer, he say one come key. Make una capture. If we catch him, we not go give am to police. He go see am. The whole world go see am. What did they do to people when they kill? That is our message. That is our message. That is our message.
Okay, my people, as I've heard it, this is happening in Edo State. My fans from Edo State, please, if you are in this area where this thing are happening, please be very, very careful because life have no duplicate. So be very careful and take caution in this particular side as of now. So my people, now so we'll see them for today. And we are about to end today's program and we will see you for the next video we're about to drop. Stay tuned and don't forget to share this video and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell for more updates as they happen. Okay, my people, see you.